We have familiar experiences of the order, the constancy, the perpetual renovation of the material world which surrounds us, frame and transitory, as is every part of it, restless and migratory as are its elements, never ceasing as are its changes, still it abides. It is bound together by a law of permanence. It is set up in unity, and though it is ever dying, it is ever coming to life again. Dissolution does give birth to fresh mode of organization, and one death is the parent of 1,000 lives. Each hour, as it comes, is but a testimony how fleeting, yet how secure, how certain is the way to it. It is like an image in the water, which is ever the same, though the water ever flows. Change upon change, yet one change turns into another, like the ultimate seraphim, in praise and in glory of their Maker. The sun seems to rise again, the day is swallowed up in the blue of the night, to be born out of it, as fresh as it had been never quenched. The spring passes into summer, and summer out of into winter, only by its more surely, by its own ultimate return to triumph over the grave towards which is resolutely hastened from its first hour. We mourn the blossoms of May because they are withered, but we know that May is one day to have its revenge upon November. But the revolution of the solar circle, which never stops, which teaches us in the height of hope, ever to be sober, and in our depth of desolation, never to despair. That which ought to come to not endure, that which promises a future, disappointment and it's no more. The same sun shines in heaven from first to last, and the blue firmament, the everlasting mountains reflects his strength. But where is there upon earth the champion, the hero, the lawgiver, the body politic, the sovereign race, which was great 300 years ago, and is great now? Man rises to fall, he turns to disillusion from the one he remains to be. He reigns on, in this, in his children, he is on in his name, he is not only in his person, he is, as regards the manifestation of his nature wisdom, as bubble that breaks, and as water poured out upon the earth. He was young, he is old, he is never young again. This is the raiment over him, for in verse and prose, by Christians and by Latin. The greatest work of God's sons under the sun, he, and all manifestations of his complete being, is born